Hello?
Hello!
Yeah, thanks for call back. This is Glenn Johnson calling you from Medicare. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. Just a formal verification call from Medicare. Have you got any letters from Medicare recently?
No!
Okay. Are you using the old Medicare card or new Medicare card?
The old one.
Oh, you're using the old one. I need to check your eligibility and validation of your Medicare card. Can you please grab your Medicare card in handy? I'll be holding on line for you.
Well, my card is upstairs. It'll take a few moments for me to get there. You move a bit slow
Okay, I'll be holding
when
on
you're
the line for you.
73.
Okay.
So I'm climbing the stairs.
Okay, I'll staying on the line. Don't hang up the call. Just grab your card. Check on it.
Excuse me, that happens every time I smoke ganja. Just another set of stairs.
Okay, so no problem. Check your own time.
Let me dig in the drawer here.
Okay, no problem.
Let me get on my reading glasses. So this is my Medicare number. 1, E as in echo, G as in golf, 4, T as... I lost my place here. I'll start over left to right. So 1, E as in echo, G as in golf, 4, B as in Bravo, E as in echo, N as in November, C as in Charlie, H in hotel, O as in Oscar, D as in Delta.
Okay, I'm just repeating back the first phone number. Number 1, E as an echo. Q as in queen. Number 4. Is that first phone number is correct?
No, 1, E as in echo, G as in golf, 4.
Okay, the middle 3 number? Middle 3.
B as in Bravo, E as in echo, N as in November.
November.
Yes.
After 4, what's the letter?
So B as in Bravo, E as in echo, N as in November, C as in Charlie,
Okay.
H in hotel, O as in Oscar, D as in Delta.
Yes, doctor. Oh, I think you are reading the wrong number.
Oh,
Just
let
a
me
moment.
put on my reading glasses. Try it again.
Okay, just a moment.
Okay, so I'm reading it again now.
Can you read your last phone number? Last phone. Hello?